Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to fix publishing failed. So to fix publishing failed in Webflow, you need, or anytime are issues, immediately check your internet connection. So check if you have a good internet connection, which is very essential. Of course, you can check websites like Speed test, and you can go to fast.com, and here you would be able to check how fast your internet and see if it is a problem from your side. The second thing that you will need to do is to check if the problem is from their servers. So go to status.webflow.com and check if there is any problem from their side as well. Maybe the publishing haven't gone through because the system is down at the moment. So you should wait a bit until they have fixed the issue. The second thing or the third thing that you need to actually do is to refresh the browser or clear your cache/cookies to resolve temporary connectivity problems. To do so, you're simply gonna have to click right here and then click on cookies and site data, and then click on manage on device site data. Click here, remove all of these, then click on done. Then you will need to reconnect your account and then go back to your website settings, and of course you will have like the whole website still as it is. The saves are made, they will not be removed. You simply have to click on publish again and it should be gone through. If the issue still persists, inspect for broken links or reduce large page content, or review browser task manager to identify high memory usage that blocks saving. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how you can fix the publishing failed in Webflow. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure to drop us a like, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel so you can get every news about us. And see you guys in the next upcoming videos.